Hi friends, this is Sagar from SG Unreal Creation, and I'm back with another tutorial. In the last video we set up our let me show you. In the last video we just replace pistol with the sniper. So we have pistol now, and we can also drop it also. When you press G it will drop, and you can pick it out again. So into this video, and if you think where is this building houses come, actually I made this to extend my map, and after implementing pistol combat and aim offset, I'm show you how to set up. If you want, if give me the comment if you want to know how to make this kind of buildings or houses only with the geometry. I know it's very easy, but I think beginners don't know that, so I'll make a little kind of tutorial for this also. So yeah, let's jump into tutorial. Actually, in this video we will going to create a or pistol combat. In order to um, create a pistol combat, you have to this I use uh, pistol cobalt animations. So yeah, you need this cobalt animation. If you don't have so this video not work for you. You have to have cobalt animation. So open your BP, and here we already create a rifle combat, and to save our time, so we just duplicate this, because everything we set up everything into this, so we don't need to set it again and again. Just duplicate it and name it pistol combat, and just open and remove everything. Okay, remove all samples. After this we just need first of all ideal pistol. If you want, this is ideal pistol. Put into bottom, ideal pistol, ideal pistol, ideal pistol, and you have to put ideal pistol into this bottom line. And if you can just put in on each direction. So this is the ideal pistol, and we need just pistol walk. I think walk forward, walk backward. So we need pistol walk on 300. So our character 300 is our walking speed, so put it on here. This is 0, this is 300. He will do a walk, and backward walk, put it over here in the left side and in the right side also. Okay, and after this we need to fill this, and this is also. So here we need a pistol strafing. So all strafe is here, and left 45 is into here. This is left 45 loop, and left loop is going to in here. And remember that if you can copy this, 8 division, 4 division, same thing, you need to copy this. Or and left 135 is going to here. Okay, same for right loop is going to here, and right, where is right 45 in here, right 135 into here. So this is 135 right, this is one right loop, and this is right 45 loop. Okay, and this is same for running right loop, run loop, go into here, and this is the right, and this is the left loop, go into here, and after that right 45, go into here, run, and put it over here because we need 600, we need to run on 600. So sorry, not use this, throw over here. So 45, and now we need right 135 is going to here, run 35, and left run over 135 is going here, and yeah, and we need this and this. So left 45 loop, this is run left 45 loop, and now we need, you know, run pistol run. So forward run, go over here, and backward run loop, go over here and go over here. Okay, so everything is perfect. Just compile and save it, and now you just need to your character and MBP. So into here, into your locomotion, you just check crouch, and we need this, you know, we need to make new state. So where is pistol? Just type pistol combat. So just throw over here, put like this, and open this, and we need both direction and a speed. so into ideal, if you pick, you know, pistol, so it will go automatically on the pistol combat state. Same thing, and you can back again if you unequip pistol. So if you want, just make some room, and you can also go pistol to rifle combat, and rifle combat to pistol, and you can also go crouch also. But as you know that we need to create different crouch state if this is for, you know, crouch for, you know, combat rifle, and if you want to crouch, you just need to make new state for crouching with pistol. But right now we just stick with this, so it will go into pistol combat, pistol to rifle, rifle to pistol. Okay, so we need to make this, you know, transitions. So here we can, when it's, you know, go into pistol state, so just equip pistol. Here we need to check one thing. If you remember, we just change everything with the pistol. Oh man, my mouse scroller break today. So here you can see this is a equip a sniper. We need to, you know, we need to change this name because it's looks silly. Equip pistol, you need to change all name, and same thing for here is swap pistol. Okay, and yeah, only change to name, rifle on pistol, equip pistol. Okay, compile and save. So we need to check something over here. If equip is if we equip, you know, uh, pistol, we can promote this into variable, pistol, pistol, equip pistol, equip pistol. When we equip pistol, we will go into pistol combat. When not, sorry, I just can't see the arrows properly. It is not, and today I'm really very tired. You um so I feel sleepy today. Today is very, you know, busy day for me. I go with my friends, and so so equip, not equip. Okay, for to check it over here, if we go on to into this state, we just need to check um what we need to check it is equipping, sorry, here we need to, you know, check something different. Equip and create a variable, rifle on, or equip rifle, you can call it equip rifle. When equip is on and equip rifle, then it will go into this state. Control C. We will check it. If we don't need this, we just replace it. Actually, I just, you know, don't, you know, try don't, you know, don't try to test this. So we will check if it is working or not, otherwise we will replace with the new one. So this is not equipping and this is equipping, it's work fine, but into here we just need to check something. So how we can check it over here? If equipping is true, okay, so it will, you know, quickly go into here, but here we need to check something. If it is you know, we just take this reference, is rifle, sorry, rifle equip, man, equip rifle, sorry, swap rifle on, and we need swap pistol, swap pistol on, equip pistol. So we need to check something if equipping is true. If equipping is true, put or true. If rifle swap or, you know, equip is true, then we go here, and if it is false, then we check once again and just control C, control V. Okay, so after this we need to check something. If it is true, then do something. If it is not, then do something. So into, if it is true, then we go over here. Okay, and if it is false, go over here, and if it is true, we just need to of course set it. Pistol equip pistol, set equip pistol on. So what I do is just do this, equip. In both cases we set equip is true. Okay, no, not go by this. In both cases we set equip is true, and in both cases we set rifle is true over here, and control C control V. If it is false, then unfalse it and do this, and if it is not, then do this and do this, false. I know this looks a little bit silly because of not give a proper designing of, so it will go over here. Okay, and if it is, it will go over here. Because right now we don't have set any aim offset. We will do aim offset after this video, so we need to check it. Okay, so if it is working or not. So if I pick this, yeah, this will work, but aim offset not working. It takes rifle aim offset, so that's why it's not working. Unequipping. So right now he don't understand. We unequip, it won't go into that thing, not over here. So how to if we cube rifle is true, and if it is not this, yeah, we just need to set it over here also. And if it is false, what we can do, we just go over here. Both need to be false. Undo this, sorry, unclear this, and just do this. When unequip is, it will automatically off both things. Okay, and maybe you understand. If you don't, what I do, just copy this and do this. Now you see better. Okay, hope you see better now. Put or check conditions. So now when I pick this, equip pistol, and unequip pistol, equip, so we automatically go with the and did you see when I fire, it will take you firing. So we need one fire montage for pistol, but right now we don't do this. When we set our aim offset, we going to, so now it will work with this, and we change, so it will automatically go into rifle. Okay, both work fine, and all have a different state. Fire and we swap. Did you see everything work fine? And yes, and after this we will a little bit change it over into locomotion. Where is that? Here, we'll change something into here. Okay, because we implement new aim offset for our pistol. Right now our pistol don't have any aim offset. It will use, you know, rifle aim offset, so that's why his hand not properly fit grab the weapon, left hand out of the weapon. Okay, so hope this will help, and please like this video and subscribe my channel if you are new. And if you like, if you want, I will make tutorial for this buildings things also. And please join my FV Unreal Master Academy. So thank you guys, bye bye, and I'll upload more tutorial soon. Bye bye, thank you.